Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and before we get into today's video, which is a very exciting unboxing of my brand new sewing cabinet and new sewing chair, today's Friday, and I wanted to give you the Love Notions Feature Friday pattern for today, and that is the lyric dress and top. I had made this before. It is a beautiful, makes a beautiful summer dress. You can make it sleeveless with sleeves. It can be just a top. It's kind of a fit and flare style, but not like super fitted, but it's got these really beautiful buttons that go up the front, which is very on trend right now. And I used it for a Sew the Look dupe, I don't know, a couple years ago now. Pop a picture here. Anyway, it is Feature Friday today, which means it is $6 today only. And when you use my code GIDGET10, you can get an additional 10% off that sale price. So today's a great time to grab that one if you don't have it in your catalog already. All right, let's head to the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and I've got a really fun video and a coupon code to share with you guys today. In today's video, I got a new sewing machine cabinet. It is amazing. It's got so many different like gadgety pull out, and number one, it's gonna be really great for filming, but also just for anyone that has maybe a space that is not a super small space, because this is a sizable cabinet, but a space where you want to be able to knock things down, like maybe if your sewing room is also a guest room, that sort of thing. Perfect video for you guys today. So a little backstory on this real quick. When Jenny and I were in Chicago back in May at the H&H trade show, which is a business-to-business trade show, we were walking the floor. We were meeting with some of the sponsors that we work with here on the channel, talking with people, that kind of thing. And we walked by the Arrow booth. If you're not familiar, Arrow is a sewing cabinet company, but they have recently been completely absorbed by AccuQuilt, I believe, which is also like the kangaroo tables, Arrow, a few different others that are all now under one umbrella. And I sat down, Jenny was talking with one of the people, and I sat down in one of their chairs and was like, oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. And of course they're like, oh yeah, it is. And they come in a whole bunch of different like colors. Anyway, the chair is what grabbed me first because it's so comfortable. The back of the chair hits right where my lumbar needs to be. My other sewing chair, I had like a lumbar pillow attached to it, but this, I don't need that on this little chair. It is so comfortable and it's got storage. So that is what started the whole conversation. And after a few back and forths, they actually asked if I'd be interested in being, as of right now, their only garment sewing ambassador. So they have quite a few ambassadors for the company that are all quilters that I'm sure you all know and love. Mixed Domestic is one of the big ones, but there's quite a few that I recognize from the quilting world. But I am their first garment sewing ambassador, which is very, very exciting. And I got, as part of that, I've got a little blog post that's going to be going on their site in September, so stay tuned. So yeah, I'll have some of that stuff popping over there. But I got a new cabinet, a new sewing cabinet. So my other sewing cabinet was great that my Bernina sits in, but I have an IKEA table that is currently housing my serger and one of my sergers and my cover stitch machine, and it's starting to bow in the middle. So I decided now is a good time to get myself a brand new sewing cabinet for the Bernina for my loaner machine, my 790, and then take my old cabinet, and that can be where my serger lives. My serger can live in that, and then my cover stitch can kind of just sit off to the side on that. So we're doing some rearranging of the sewing room. I'm going to do a full updated sewing room tour, probably in another month or so, because there's still some tweaking we want to do. We're going to move some shelving around and that sort of thing. So there'll be an updated sewing room tour here soon. But today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my new sewing cabinet, and I've got a discount code for you guys. Tomcat20 gets you 20% off anything on their site. So it can be the cabinet. It could be if you're in the market for a new cabinet. It could be they've got pressing tables, cutting tables / pressing tables. They've got these wonderful chairs that come in quite a few different fabrics that you can pick from. Of course, I went for the one with all the color, but they have a whole bunch of different options on there, and there's very, very comfortable chairs. And again, that's what grabbed me to begin with. But I am showing you today the Laverne and Shirley table set. So I'm going to be showing you again all the bells and whistles. It has the a lowering section for my sewing machine, so it can go down low, it can come back up. It's got different tables that pop out, similar to my old one, but it's got a whole section that shifts out, so I can have a little pressing station and a cutting station, like an L's, which is amazing for, number one, for what I need to use it for filming, but also for just at ease and having everything right there when I am sewing and working. So very exciting setup that I can't wait to show you. Again, my code Tomcat20 gets you 20% off anything on their site, which is also super, super cool. Okay, and if you ever forget that code, remember, at my website, tomcatstitchery.com, you go to the resource section. It's right there at the top of the bar, and all of our coupon codes are listed there on that resource page if you ever forget or need to be reminded of any of our coupon codes and deals that we have over there. Also, our blog. Don't forget that our blog we have a blog now. It makes it the videos are all housed there as well. I mean, they take you back to YouTube, but makes it super easy to search things through our website as opposed to trying to search on YouTube. So anyway, don't forget to check the blog out as well. Okay, I think that's it. I am still waiting on a acrylic insert for my sewing machine. So it will be like a solid surface like my old one. It just, the acrylic insert has not yet arrived. So that's the only thing that is missing on this setup right now. But let's go over and take a look at my machine, or my sewing cabinet. Okay, so I've got my son here who's going to be helping me build this table. But we have got 6 gigantic boxes. So this is my new sewing cabinet and chair. So join us as we put all this together, and I'll give you a tour of everything. Okay, so here's the new cabinet. Like I said, I am waiting on the acrylic insert for my Bernina 790, so I don't have that quite yet, but it will be completely flush with the tabletop when it is set at that, the first level there of the retractable table, and I will show you more here in a second. But this is larger than the original table. We are going to be moving some stuff around in the back. Again, I'll show you that once we get that all reorganized. But it does have a much larger fold out here. which is just really nice for larger projects. It's really helpful when I'm filming to have a place for my tripod, but also obviously if you're quilting, that sort of thing, you want to have the extra room here at the back of the table. But any kind of large project, this is great. And then again, it's super easy to fold it up. Ooh, try not to break anything here. Super easy to fold that back up when not in use, which is most of the time when I'm using it. So this is the back side of the machine. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Okay, so here is the back side of the cabinet. Like I mentioned, the machine is at the flush with the table level, but I can push it down to much lower, and I have got this piece here that fits on and allows me to keep my machine there, but then have a completely flat surface here if I am doing something where I don't want the machine up. Also, we have got drawers here. We have got, I haven't put anything in them yet, but regular size drawers. There's 4 drawers all together here, but these bottom 2 have got thread spools here, which is super, super nice. And I have put my embroidery thread into this one. Now these do come out, so if you decide that you do not in fact want the spool holder, it's very easy to pull this out and then you just have a regular drawer. And that's for both of them. Both of them work that way. And then the other 2 are just regular drawers. But here is where it gets really exciting. When I am ready to do all of my sewing and want to really get down to the nitty-gritty, this also came with a little cutting mat and a pressing surface, and it very easily rotates out like so. This opens out, this flops open, and now I have got pressing station, of which my little Aliso that you guys are familiar with would be absolutely perfect for doing any pressing as I go. So it makes just a really beautiful L when all things are said and done. I could make this a larger pressing station. I could even use my wool mats that I got with my Aliso if I wanted to. But if you are doing some little bitty cuts and that kind of thing, you can also leave the cutting mat here. And again, everything just folds up so nice and neatly. And then that just goes right back into space like so. And there you have it, my new Laverne and Shirley, mat. But also, let's take a look at this chair. These were the chairs that absolutely sold me on everything. I went with the really bold fabric. Obviously, there's many different options. It has storage here. If you want to keep maybe your pattern that you're currently working on, cut out pieces, that kind of stuff, if you really like to clean up your sewing space when you're not using it. But this back piece here is so comfortable. I sat in it and was like, oh my gosh, it hits my lower back right where I need it to when I'm sewing. So highly recommend these chairs, if nothing else. Very comfortable. And again, they come in like, 8 colors or something like that, solids as well as prints. So there you have it, the newest additions to my sewing room. I hope you enjoyed this. So there you have it. That is my new Laverne and Shirley Arrow sewing cabinet. And actually, I think this might be a kangaroo one technically, but anyway. It's all same company. My new sewing cabinet that I am so excited about using. It gives me just a little bit more space. So many things that I can pop out and really kind of spread out in my little niche section here of my sewing room. So, and then my super, super comfortable chair that I'm also very, very excited about. Jenny's very jealous. I could see her maybe also getting herself a chair here before too long. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Get some sewing in, and until next time, happy sewing. Bye.